topic of the day po is maintained status. A very good day everybody. Alma Armada from Alma Armada Company. We are an immigration consulting firm based in Calgary, Alberta. Napakarami pong workers na mag-e-expire ang kanilang work permit. And kailangan po ma-maintain nyo ang inyong legal status in Canada if you are wanting to extend your stay dito. Hindi po kayo dapat maging illegal dito sa Canada. Otherwise, napakahirap po ng inyong magiging sitwasyon. To get maintained status, you must apply for a extension of your current work permit prior to the expiry date of your current work permit to continue to work under the same condition na nag-expire ng work permit. So, for example, if you are working for ABC company, nag-apply kayo ng extension to work kasi nag-aantay kayo ng LMIA or pinoprocess pa ng employer ang inyong LMIA at di pa nasasaminto, continue and submit that application prior to the expire date. And this way, you can continue to work legally under the same condition na nag-expire ng work permit. You cannot work for any other employer under maintained status po. However, if you have an open work permit, extending that open work permit, so syempre open work permit po yun kahit sino po ang inyong employer. Take note, if you are applying to extend your stay as a visitor, you cannot continue to work after the work permit expire. If you are applying to study, then also hindi na kayo pwedeng mag-work once na nag-expire na yung work permit na yun. Okay? You can only continue to work legally if you are extending that work permit. Pag na-refuse po yung work permit na yan, unfortunately, you must stop working because anyone under restoration cannot work po. But they can legally stay in Canada if they're given 90 days to file for a restoration of status. Yan po, napakahalaga po niyan. Don't stay in Canada illegally kasi mahirap po talaga niyan. So again, if you are extending your stay as a student or as a visitor, apply for extension po prior to the expiry date of your legal status dito kasi otherwise illegal po kayo dito sa Canada, and don't do that. Most cases, when you apply for extension of your work permit, IRCC may give you up to 1 year po. And normally, you will get another 90 days to restore your status. So, again, maganda po kasi ang maintained status can last for up to 1 year. Yan. If you need our services or have any more questions about how maintained status work, please don't hesitate to call our office at 403-608-5446 or send us a text message at that number po. Again, this is Alma Armada from Alma Armada Company. Please continue to follow us, subscribe po, and share my blog. Take care of yourself, each other, and of course, yung loved ones po natin. And God bless everybody until next time po ulit.